So environment study is related to environmental engineering, ecology. In the science also you have studied the ecology. In the science in 11, 12 science, you have studied different types of sciences in that physics, chemistry, uh, biology, then zoology, then other types of sciences. So environment studies is also included in that. It is ecology. It is related to environment. That is environment study. So this is a subject which is included in your syllabus. So for this subject, there is no external exam is there, but there is a regular test will be there. Online test will be there. Each test will be of 20 marks. Then you have to give that test on completion of every unit. Then there is a assignments are there based on the syllabus. Total 5 to 6 assignments are there that you have to complete. That is the term work is there only. There is no in-sem exam, and in-sem exam is there. So yes, short it is called yes, environment studies. So what it includes? First, today we'll see the introduction of this environmental study. So what is environmental study? All you know the environment, the nature, वेगवेगळ्या places ना तुम्ही visit केले असेल to see the natural features in various particular cities. They are well known for greeneries, tourist places you have visited. You might have visited to tourist places where there is some natural features are there. Some महाबळेश्वर आहे, अजून काही places असतील. So where the natural features are observed. The everything which is surround to us, that is called environment. Environment म्हणजे काय? पर्यावरण जे आपल्या सभोवताली आहे. Environment. Environment मध्ये तुम्हाला काय दिसेल? काय काय आपल्याला पाहायला मिळतील? So on this environment, every human being, animals असतील, the man, human being, or various types of insects, animals, or species which is spread all over the universe. So that are all living organisms, living things which are depending upon the non-living things which are depending upon the environment. Non-living things मध्ये climate असेल, temperature, rainfall, wind, air, soil, water. These are all depending upon the environment. Environment मध्ये सगळे include आहेत. पाणी आहे, हवा आहे, माती आहे, ट्रीज, प्लांट्स असतील, छोटे ग्रास असेल, झाड असतील, प्राणी असतील, माणसं असतील. So all these are including the environment. All these constitute the environment. So for survival of this, all the living and non-living things that will be depending upon environment. Without environment, no one can survive. So everyone will get, every person, every animal, they will get food to eat. प्रत्येकाला पाणी हवं आहे, अन्न हवं आहे, घर हवं आहे, किंवा वारा हवा आहे, oxygen is required. The everything which is surrounding to us, आपल्या समोरील काय काय आहे, everything is included. Soil, air, water, the sky, earth, all is surrounding to us. Air, water, all these sources are surrounding to us, on which we depend. आपण कशावर अवलंबून आहे? हे सगळ्या रिसोर्सेस वरनं, हे सगळ्या all सगळ्या लिव्हिंग अँड नॉन लिव्हिंग थिंग्सवर आपण अवलंबून आहे. विदाउट दिस यू कॅन नॉट सर्वाइव्ह. प्रत्येकाला पाणी हवं आहे, वॉटर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, फूड इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर इटिंग, that is available from the soil crops. After growing the crops, different types of crops or trees of the fruits, you will get the foods like rice crop, rice असेल किंवा wheat असेल, गहू असेल, ज्वारी असेल, that will available from the soil. Sugar cane असेल, ऊस, मका असेल, maize, all these available from the environment, from the soil. Water is available from the river, dams, reservoirs, seas. In surrounding air, air is available for breathing, to take the oxygen, to exert the carbon dioxide. The plants, they will absorb the carbon dioxide and they will exert oxygen. So all these plants, animals, human being, they will require food, water, air for their survival. So everything is surrounding in the our surrounding to us. That is called environment. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? एन्व्हायरमेंट. समजलं का एन्व्हायरमेंट म्हणजे काय? सो व्हॉट इज एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडी? एन्व्हायरमेंट त्याचा स्टडी, एन्व्हायरमेंटचा स्टडी म्हणजेच काय? एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडी, सायन्स ऑफ दॅट एन्व्हायरमेंट. जसं फिजिक्स आहे, इट इज रिलेटेड टू फिजिकल. केमिस्ट्री, it is related to chemical formation of the various chemicals. Then environmental science is related to study of all environmental features, maintaining the quality of the environment, maintaining the its natural features, quality, maintenance of the quality of the environment, conservation of the all the living and non-living constituents. That study is known as environmental science. किंवा त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Environmental study. So study of all these factors. तर त्यासाठी कशासाठी स्टडी करायचं? तर वॉटर विच इज ड्रिंकेबल, यू शुड नॉट पोल्यूट द वॉटर, इट शुड बी ड्रिंक पोर्टेबल वॉटर. पोल्युशन होऊ नये म्हणून, वॉटर पोल्युशन होऊ नये, एअर पोल्युशन होऊ नये. तर नॅचरल फीचर्स शुड नॉट बी डिस्ट्रॉइड. जसं ट्रीज असतील, झाडं तोडायला नाही पाहिजे. सम नॅचरल फीचर्स किंवा एखादं हिली एरिया असेल, लँड असेल, तिथलं ग्रीनरी तुम्ही मेंटेन करायला पाहिजे, क्वालिटी मेंटेन करायला पाहिजे, हे करून तुम्हाला ऑक्सिजन जास्त मिळेल. ओके. एअर इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर ब्रेथिंग. पाणी, तुम्हाला पाण्याची कमतरता भासणार नाही. किंवा अन्नाची कमतरता भासू नये. फूड टू ईट. So there is no deficiency of the food, water, air. If we preserve this environment in a proper manner, if you conserve this environment, if the quality of the is maintained, if you maintain properly, then you will get the lots of food, lots of water for drinking, lots of food for eating, lots of air, good quality air, fresh air for breathing, which is so that is required for our daily living. Therefore, this study is necessary. Without this study, no one can maintain the quality of the environment. Natural, there will be the over exploitation of the natural resources. त्यामुळे काय होईल? There are different eco problems develop होतील. जसं earthquake येईल किंवा cyclones येतील, वादळ येईल किंवा वारा किंवा सायक्लॉन्स किंवा सुनामी फॉर्म होतील. सुनामी येतील, सुनामी किंवा एनी डेझर्ट फ्लड सिच्युएशन में क्रिएट होईल, पूर येईल किंवा अजून काय फॅमिन सिच्युएशन किंवा डेझर्ट दुष्काळ परिस्थिती उद्भवेल. सेव्हरल रिझन्स. किंवा ग्लोबल वॉर्मिंग होईल किंवा वातावरणामध्ये बदल होतील किंवा सीझन काय होतील, त्यामध्ये पाऊस येणार नाही किंवा अवकाळी पाऊस येईल. पावसाचं so due to this, if these natural features are not preserved, if there is no uh, if the quality of the environment is not maintained, then these eco problems may be developed. So to maintain the proper eco balance, this environmental study is necessary. Environmental science is necessary. Samala, what is environmental science? What is it? What its importance? Why it is necessary? Why this study is necessary? This is the concept of environmental study. समजलं का environmental study? का doubt आहे त्यामध्ये? So this, the soil, air, water, all living and non-living things surrounding to us that constitute the environment, which influences our daily living. मैं प्रत्येक दिवशी तुम्हाला हे लागणार आहे. Every day, every man, animals, or any other species, all these require this basic things are required for their survival. So these are the living and non-living things which are interdependent. All this, या environment वर आपण अवलंबून आहे. Without environment, you cannot survive. Okay? ते एकमेकांवर आपण डिपेंड आहे. Depending upon the nature, so every living thing is dependent. त्यामुळे या सिस्टीमला काय म्हणायचं? इकोसिस्टीम. एन्व्हायरमेंट सिस्टीम that is also called लाईफ सपोर्ट सिस्टीम. लाईफला सपोर्ट करते आपल्याला. Everyone's life of human being, life of the animals, insects, that support, that gives the support to our life system. We depend upon the environment surrounding, which is surrounding to us. According to traditional concept, the natural resources are there that we utilize it. The man utilizes the natural resources. So man is only responsible for degeneration of the natural system, environment, and wildlife. So these natural resources should be preserved. There are millions of species are there in the environment. The life of these species should be maintained. Man cannot survive alone without this environment. So you have to maintain the healthy environment. You have to take proper measure. Therefore, this study is necessary for maintaining the healthy environment, for maintaining the quality of the environment, to preserve the natural features. So this is the concept of environmental studies. समजलं का? Environmental science म्हणजे काय? Environmental science is also called environmental science. It's a science. It's also science. या environmental science मध्ये सगळे science include आहेत. त्यामध्ये physics आहे, chemistry आहे, biology आहे, zoology, then social science, geology. All these sciences are included in that. Therefore, it is multidisciplinary in nature. Multidisciplinary nature of environmental science म्हणजे काय? It includes all this study. त्यामध्ये काय करणार? Existence and behavior of the all living and non-living things of the environment, that is covered by laws of physical, chemical, geological, biological sciences. यामध्ये फिजिकल सायन्स आहे, केमिकल सायन्स, जिओलॉजिकल सायन्स, बायोलॉजिकल सायन्स, सगळे सायन्स त्यामध्ये इन्क्लूड आहेत. विच इज दिस सायन्स स्टडी इज रिक्वायर्ड फॉर existence and behavior of living and all non-living things. Laws, physics में वेगवेगळे टाइपचे लॉज तुम्ही स्टडी केले. लॉज ऑफ फिजिक्स, केमिकल, जिओलॉजिकल, बायोलॉजिकल सायन्सेस. That you are seeing how this all the living and non-living things are interdependent. Okay, so this is the environmental science. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणायचं, मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी नेचर. त्यामध्ये मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी म्हणजे काय, त्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे डिसिप्लिन्स आहेत, वेगवेगळे सायन्सेस आहेत. मल्टीडिसिप्लिन, इट इन्क्लूड्स फिजिकल सायन्स, केमिकल सायन्स, social science, geological science, biological science. All these sciences are included. Therefore, it is multi-science, multidisciplinary in nature. And it is related to living and non-living things. If we the science which is related to human behavior, human behavior कसा है, the management of human society, the behavior कसा है, ते कुठल्या सायन्स आहेत, कुठल्या सायन्स मध्ये मोडते, सायकोलॉजिकल, पॉलिटिकल अँड सोशल सायन्स मध्ये. इज ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ environmental science, included in that. So to maintain this environment, to preserve the environmental features, there are rules are framed for maintenance of the quality of environment in a healthy state. There is a law is made under the jurisdiction of national legislation, while agreements are reached regarding common problems faced by two or more countries under purview of international law. So there is a law is made for maintaining the quality of the environment or healthy environment, so that the natural features, natural sources are preserved. Therefore, it is called multidisciplinary science. Science of environment is therefore multidisciplinary science, which includes all the sciences, branches of science. या डायग्राम मध्ये दिले पाहिजे. एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडी मिडलला दिले आहे, त्यामध्ये कुठले कुठले सायन्स इन्क्लूड केलेले आहे. फिजिकल सायन्स, केमिकल सायन्स, बायोलॉजिकल सायन्स, सोशल सायन्स, जिओलॉजिकल सायन्स, ते वेगवेगळे त्यामध्ये असतील. The basic sciences are shown here. This consists the study of physical science, study of chemical science, study of biological science, and social science. All these studies are included in the environmental study. That is called environmental science. Study related to environment. All these sciences are included in that. समजलं environmental science म्हणजे काय? This is a flow diagram of this. Various multidisciplinary sciences are shown in the environmental studies. Therefore, this environmental science is called multidisciplinary science. समजलं का? मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी सायन्स म्हणजे काय? मल्टीडिसिप्लिनरी नेचर ऑफ दिस एन्व्हायरमेंटल स्टडी. समजलं का? इथपर्यंत काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे काय मध्ये? डेफिनेशन कळालं का? सब्जेक्ट कळाला का? सब्जेक्ट काय पर्पज आहे, व्हाय इट इज रिक्वायर्ड, व्हाट इज नेसेसरी. तर आता 5 तारखेला 5 जून दॅट इज सेलिब्रेटेड ॲज अ वर्ल्ड एन्व्हायरमेंट डे. तर आपल्या कॉलेजमध्ये वर्ल्ड एन्व्हायरमेंट डे सेलिब्रेट केलं होतं. सो एव्हरीवन यू हॅव टू ग्रो द ट्रीज on the occasion of this environment day. You have to plant any type of plants surrounding to your house or your farm. So you have to preserve the environment. Everyone should grow the trees. झाडे लावा, झाडे जगवा, हा एक योजना आहे. So according to this scheme, everyone have to grow the trees. You have to preserve the trees so that the natural features can be preserved. The importance of environmental study काय आहे? Why it is required? What is the importance of that? What is the necessity of public awareness? How the public awareness is necessary? So man has long affected his local environment, but it is in the 20th century only. Before 20th century, पूर्वीच्या काळी जे एन्व्हायरमेंट येतं त्यामध्ये खूप काही बदल झालेले आहेत. आधीचं एन्व्हायरमेंट ancient in the ancient times before 20th century, as the in the modernization, after modernization there are several changes are made. Vehicles are come, different machineries are come, industries are developed, there is a development of the society, lots of deforestation is done, lots of society population is increased. So there is lots of changes are made due to in past decades due to modernization, change in the environment is done. So from last 50 years there is a lots of changes are done due to increase in population that may create several problems, eco problems or pollution problems may created due to misuse of the natural resources. Some eco problems may develop. Today we affect earth system significantly, extracting materials. वेगवेगळे materials आपण extract करतो जे इंडस्ट्रीसाठी लागणारे असतील किंवा एनर्जी जनरेट करण्यासाठी. एनर्जी जनरेट करण्यासाठी you have to lots of pollution, you have to industries emitting the pollution gases for generation of the energy. So to provide food, shelter, food, shelter, then clothes are the basic needs of the human being. With the increase in population, world's growing population, these basic needs, food, shelter, clothes, these basic needs are increasing. So man is using the different extracting materials like for construction of the houses, for generation of the energy. Industries are developing due to use of vehicles. Pollution is increasing day by day. That may affect the environment. So over exploitation of the natural resources is going on. Pollution of environment is increased. So that is corroding the vital life support system on all life depends for its subsistence. So therefore life of the human being is decreasing due to increase in pollution, over exploitation of the natural resources. If this study, if the importance of the environment is not studied properly, if the knowledge of the environmental study is not given, so these natural resources are misused, pollution is increasing. So natural system is degenerated. It will be difficult to maintain the productivity of the agriculture. Agriculture productivity काय झालेली आहे, कमी झालेली आहे. Crops are that we grow in the farm, the productivity of the crops is decreased. That is required for our daily living. Okay. So this is important. So after 1 minute, this session will close. After 1 minute, you have to rejoin again with same link that is given in the group. So परत तुम्ही एका मिनिटानंतर परत जॉइन व्हायचं आहे. The same link. After 1 minute, this session will close. Rejoin again after 1 minute.